event is provided by Mr. Philippe Charles, as well as Mr. Philippe BARTISSOL and Mr. Shoji Nozaki. The title is Manufacturing in the Age of the Experience. We have simultaneous interpretation services. Please wear the earphones.
先ほどと同じく日本語のチャンネルは
Japanese channel is the channel 1.
それではお待たせいたしました。シャーレット
Thank you, Mr. Charles and BARTISSOL and Nozaki.
Good morning. It's a great pleasure to be here. Thank you very much for joining this manufacturing event. And it's my pleasure to share with you what we are doing at Dassault Systèmes to support this manufacturing transformation. Up to now, we do see manufacturing being more a race for productivity. This race for productivity has been, of course, delivering tremendous value, tremendous benefits to serve customers in multiple industries. As what we see coming now is also a race for innovation. And innovation, of course, is everywhere when it comes to product. You heard a lot of great cases this morning. Innovation is also there for manufacturing. And manufacturing innovation is for sure part of the transformation that we see coming as important as the race that has been ongoing for the productivity. The digital transformation that has been mentioned several times this morning is for sure a key enabler to make possible and support this innovation process. And when we talk about digital transformation, it's not only about transforming existing processes, not only digitizing existing processes, but also the opportunity to change, to transform the way things are done in the manufacturing world within the global ecosystem, and also take advantage of the possibility of changing the business models that is ongoing. As part of this digital transformation, the so-called digital twin of manufacturing and production system is a key enabler to support this transformation and a key enabler to allow the reconfiguration and the recomposition of the value chain, which is a key driver in this business transformation. This digital twin of production system is going and applying on all levels of manufacturing. This goes from the simplest station as a manufacturing capability to the whole production system as a network of manufacturing resources. This digital modeling allows to have visibility on the global system and allow also to embark the know-how, the knowledge, which is so important for all manufacturing. This is what we call the digital twin on global manufacturing system. And this is the opportunity to enable collaboration across discipline, collaboration coming from the product engineering activity that are, of course, key, and that are enabling real collaboration, leveraging the digital asset, the digital definition of the products, including all its innovation. So the production engineering could be completely developed, planned, test, and validate in the virtual world. Here in front of you, you see two examples. It's coming from the automotive industry of the standard process of body and white, where the complete digitalization of the body of the car is a key enabler that could be leveraged in the production engineering activity. So this could be completely tested and validated in the digital environment, avoiding any prototyping, which is of huge benefit, of course. And we see that ongoing. What you see on the right side is on the final assembly process that we call virtual build. You're basically virtually building a car before any hardware prototype exists or done. And of course, this is of tremendous value and benefits to significantly reduce the time to get to market on a global basis. You'll see this afternoon a great presentation about this case from Honda within the so-called global manufacturing system for Honda. And you'll see a great presentation this afternoon. You have it in the agenda about that. The digital transformation, the digital modeling and the digital twin of the production system also enable this collaboration from production engineering to the shop floor, where again, all the digital asset which has been created in the design of the product, digital asset created in the production engineering phases can be made available on the shop floor, available from the shop floor worker, so they could get all the time for every single product that they have to build. And usually they are different. In this case, each airplane is different one to another. And how is it that having this digital asset available at the fingertip of the shop floor worker is of tremendous value, and a digital transformation to make available the right information at the right time and streamline this operation of the shop floor. And of course, all this being available of any type of mobile device. We have a great case, great illustration of this coming from Embraer that fully implemented this for a complete airplane program. And of course, got huge benefit from this digital continuity from product design to production engineering, from production engineering to production execution on the shop floor. This digital twin of production system also goes across all the production activity on the shop floor, in the plants, within the extended enterprise, harmonizing and synchronizing all activity, production execution, logistic, warehouse, material synchronization. So all those activities could be streamlined, could be digitally synchronized and streamlined to get to the level of efficiency that is required. As this is available, of course, then the data collection, the dashboarding of your business at the manufacturing level is, of course, possible, affordable, so you could see and dashboard collecting all the data from the real execution world and dashboarding this so you could analyze, define what needs to be improved based on real data and global visibility, which is given through this continuity on the digital thread all across the enterprise. And here again, we have a great example of, this is a big transformation for sure, but we have also a great example of an ongoing implementation of this at Airbus, and particularly in the helicopter activity from Airbus. And I would like to share with you here the video going with that. So let's see what the video.
Airbus Helicopters is the world's leading civil and military helicopter manufacturer. In the context of market global leadership, sustaining this position requires the ability to deliver innovation rapidly so as to stay ahead of the competition and industry technology standards. It is also about the ability to rely on manufacturing capabilities that strengthen production best practices and offer flexibility to react to market demand. From the machining of elementary parts up to the final assembly lines, the helicopter manufacturing process is spread across different, specialized workshops in which highly skilled personnel operate every day. Today, information is collected and transcribed on paper before being recaptured in the ERP system. Managing this supply chain complexity requires real-time information sharing, a key element of a fully mastered production process. Every day, unplanned events happen on the shop floor. Missing parts, compliance non-conformance, or machine breakdowns. Each of these events starts a chain reaction that disrupts activities of companion processes, which then impacts the supply chain, lead times and WIP levels, ultimately lowering overall efficiency. Moving a step further along the digital transformation journey, Airbus Helicopters and Dassault Systems are joining forces to implement Delmia Apriso Manufacturing Operations Management System. By removing paper from production workflows, digitizing information and making it available on any desktop or mobile device, it will be possible to better streamline processes and get more control over supply chain operations. Improving visibility to a real-time view on production events makes it much easier to acknowledge shop floor events, to assess them, and then to make decisions to synchronize activities that best react to the situation. This new solution will provide everyone with a clear and simple view of their objectives of the next operation, at any time and in real time, by using their mobile device or by looking at hand-on screens. This new process enables the right person to find the right information quickly and then take action. This digital future factory will bring efficiency and effectiveness all along the supply chain. This strategy can allow Airbus to better master their supply chain and build to rate. In the end, it will result in the achievement of manufacturing excellence at the heart of each and every Airbus helicopter.
So the journey is going on. This is a great illustration of what's going on in this company. As part of this digital transformation, at the end, all manufacturing resources are connected within a digital network. All the manufacturing service capabilities are bringing manufacturing services that could be configured, reconfigured to produce as the demand requires. And of course, those manufacturing resources are usually industrial equipments that are getting connected, that are getting smarter. And this composition and recomposition within the overall manufacturing system give the ability to have not only the visibility, but the opportunity to make this network operational. So as the demand requires, it gives the opportunity on a global basis to connect, to reconfigure, to recompose the value chains to serve each customer with the products he needs wherever he is in the world. As part of this Dassault system, we are really connecting the real world of manufacturing to the virtual one. So the virtual world can help improve the real one to serve as the customer requests. And for that purpose, we have integrated an overall portfolio to cover all the activities that streamline from the product design to the shop floor, from the product design to go to the production engineering. With all digital manufacturing activity, we give the chance and a digital environment to validate how you're going to set up your production system and manufacturing system in the virtual world before going in any type of prototyping in the real one. Manufacturing operation management in the plants, on the shop floor, gathering multiple sites, multiple production systems, and of course, operation planning and operation optimization at the supply chain level. And to make that available, we have invested significantly at Dassault Systèmes to get the proper technology, to get the proper portfolio, with recently the acquisition of the company named BARTISSOL, covering all the scope of manufacturing operation management on the shop floor in the context of multiple sites in the extended enterprise. And more recently, the acquisition of the company named Quintic, with great technology related to operation planning, operation optimization at all levels of the manufacturing system, and of course, at the level of supply chain, including all aspects related to logistics. So we are bringing together this technology, so we are delivering, in few cases that you have seen here, tremendous value when it comes to how to get, in a timely manner, all product innovation to the market, how to get in a timely manner the product innovation to the global market by reducing significantly this time to market, which is an opportunity for increasing the top line of your business. And of course, while managing and streamlining all activities at the production level within the extended enterprise, including the supply chain, it's really about streamlining the manufacturing operations within the extended system with the suppliers. So significantly, the productivity and the manufacturing efficiency at large could and will be improved significantly. So it's really driving the opportunity to get product innovation delivered on the market with the most efficient way, completely leveraging the digital transformation and the digital thread from product design to deliver to the customer. Also connecting here the real world to the virtual world, you'll see a presentation this afternoon from a great customer that we have, Alstom, for trains, which is really also showing how is it that they are streamlining all their activities for developing new trains for the world by connecting the real world of the manufacturing operations to the virtual one, and how the overall process is significantly improved with significant saving, as you can see here. While we do this, and this digital transformation, this digital asset created, give the opportunity to connect all stakeholders from design, from production engineering, from manufacturing, from people from the shop floor, on a common environment through the internet. And this is what our 3D experience platform at Dassault Systèmes is providing, the opportunity to bring those communities together in order to bring together the product innovation on the market. So it's, at the end of the day, an opportunity to connect people in the extended enterprise with suppliers, whatever is the size of the company, for collective innovation. At the end, it's an opportunity to put people at the center of the innovation process, to connect them, to have all of them having an easy access to the internet, to a platform where digital assets are available, and we make that available on the cloud, and where all those communities can work together and put people at the center of the innovation process, not only for the product design, but also for manufacturing innovation. And I truly believe that this is a great opportunity to make manufacturing attractive enough to the generation to come that all love working on internet. So we are investing And we are here to help you support this journey, this transformation journey for manufacturing innovation in all industries and for all your business that you are driving all over the world. I would like to thank you for your attention, and we are here to partner with you for this digital journey. Thank you very much.